Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar here again, and today we're going to be talking about Coinbase's IPO coming into the stock market. So, if you guys haven't heard, Coinbase recently, earlier this week, filed with the SEC for an IPO. But, so earlier this week, Coinbase filed for an IPO with the SEC. Meaning that it'll be brought to the stock market. But before we get into this, let's go over what an IPO is. An IPO is an initial public offering, which means shares offering in which shares of a company are sold to institutional investors, and which are usually also retail investors. So this means instead of being on the private market where it is right now, it'll be publicly traded, and me and you could trade if we wanted to buy and sell those shares of Coinbase. Now, following up on that, there's a website called NerdWallet that did a article about this called the Coinbase IPO What to Know. This was published on the 26th. Says that Coinbase will be listed under the ticker coin, or the ticker of coin, on the NASDAQ, with shares on the private market currently being at $373, giving Coinbase a valuation of $100 billion. Following that, if we go to CNBC, they did an article, earlier this week as well, saying that Coinbase had a net revenue of $1.14 billion in 2020, up from $483 million the previous year, and the company also reported a net income of $322 million for the year after posting a loss in 2019. Meaning that in 2019, I'm sure there weren't many people in the crypto space, but as of last year and the last couple months, there's been tons of people following crypto with the blast off of Bitcoin, Ethereum. We have Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin. We have Cardano. We have things just blowing up left and right, which means, in my opinion, that crypto is about to blow up in a major sense, more than it already is right now. But meaning that, let's say Coinbase gets its public offering out there and it's on the stock market. Let's say I don't know what the price it'd be at starting, but I think companies like Coinbase, apps and companies, whatever they are, Coinbase, Binance, I think you got Gemini, you got all these other different apps and companies. If Coinbase can do it, all those other companies could do it as well. Now, do I think a Coinbase stock is going to be a good idea to invest in? I think so. First off, it had a major increase in revenue. Second off, you have people using Coinbase on a daily basis, and they're constantly having new people joining. But in a way, I'd like to see, because Coinbase already has the reward system, in a way, I'd like to see a little bit more reward systems, because you have apps like Celsius where you can gain interest on Bitcoin and Ethereum and all kinds of other coins. Now, I'm sure that it's Coinbase paying you the revenue or the interest you earn on your coins, so there may be a reason why they're only doing it for the smaller end coins like Algorand and Cosmos and stuff like that. But if they were to do it with all the coins, or with coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm sure there would be a lot more people using Coinbase, not just to buy crypto, but also to hold their crypto in there to earn that interest. So that's that thing. Now, there's also a section here that says Coinbase said it had 43 million verified users at the end of 2020, with 2.8 million making monthly transactions. Trading in Bitcoin and Ethereum made up 56% of users' trading volume. And obviously, following this, let's say there's people that don't want to enter the space of crypto. This direct listing or IPO that Coinbase is doing is a way that people that don't want to put money into crypto, they can put money into crypto in kind of like a secondary way, where they can invest into Coinbase and they don't have to worry about, let's say, Bitcoin dropping 5,000 or 2,000 in a day and they're losing X amount of money. If Coinbase stock is doing fine, then they in a sense they should be doing fine. But let's say if the Coinbase stock was to follow what the crypto stock or what crypto is doing, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If they start to go down and the Coinbase stock starts to go down, then there's going to be a little bit of a mess right there. But I'm sure with Coinbase being an app and you have people investing money into crypto and investing into Coinbase itself, I'm sure the Coinbase stock will just continuously go up and up and up, and I'm sure it'll do very well. So, but that's some things we'll have to see. It should be up on the market in the like early March, or we'll have to see first, second, third weeks of March. But I have a feeling the Coinbase stock is going to be a good option, and I think there's a bunch of other people out there that are going to think the same thing. But that's all that we know of right now, and I guess the future will have a story to tell. So if you guys know anything about the Coinbase IPO or direct listing or anything like that, and you guys want to talk about it in the comments, put it down there. We can talk about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like it. And it's been Oscar, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.